The first two episodes of this series covered the hardware, the chips, the network, the storage, the optics. But infrastructure without a platform is just expensive metal. The question enterprises actually care about is, how do I build an agent connected to my data, govern it like any other business system, and scale it to thousands of users? That's what the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform is built to answer. This is episode 3 of Inside the Agentic Cloud, the platform layer that sits on top of the AI hypercomputer and turns compute into managed agents. For the last few years, Google's AI development platform was Vertex AI, a place to access models, fine-tune them, and deploy them. But models by themselves aren't enough for agents. An agent acts. It calls tools, reads databases, coordinates with other agents, and makes decisions across multiple steps. That means it needs an identity so you can trace what it does, governance so it stays within bounds, memory so it can carry context across sessions, and orchestration so multiple agents can work together without stepping on each other. The Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform adds all of that on top of the model foundation. It's not a rename of Vertex AI, it's an expansion from model-centric to agent-centric, and all future Vertex AI services will be delivered through it. The scale is already significant. Over 6 trillion tokens are processed monthly through the ADK on Gemini models, with direct API usage running at 16 billion tokens per minute. The platform gives two different types of users two different paths to building agents. For developers, there's the Agent Development Kit, a code-first framework where you organize agents into graph-based networks. You define a parent agent that delegates tasks to specialized sub-agents, which can run sequentially, in parallel, or in loops until a condition is met. One detail worth calling out, ADK manages context automatically. Instead of just filling the agent's working memory until it overflows, it filters out irrelevant events, summarizes older conversation turns, and only pulls in supporting data when it's actually needed. That matters when you have agents running long, complex workflows, where memory efficiency determines whether the agent stays reliable or starts drifting. For business users, there's Agent Studio, a low-code visual canvas where you design the same kind of multi-agent logic without writing code. Both paths deploy through Agent Runtime, which means the same agent can run on Google Cloud, on your own infrastructure, or in any container environment. And the models aren't locked to Gemini. Model Garden provides access to over 200 models, including Claude, Llama, Mistral, Quinn, and Gemma, so teams pick the right model for each task. Building an agent is one thing, connecting it to the systems it needs to act on is another. An agent that can only generate text isn't useful in production. Real agents need to reach into databases, call APIs, trigger workflows, and coordinate with other agents, and all of those connections need to be governed. The platform supports MCP and A2A protocols for agent-to-tool and agent-to-agent communication, open standards designed so agents can discover tools and talk to each other without proprietary wiring. Native integrations provide plug-and-play access to internal data and enterprise tools, including connections across Google Workspace and Microsoft 365, without custom coding. And for workloads that don't need a human in the loop, batch and event-driven agents can activate automatically through BigQuery and PubSub. Connecting agents to enterprise systems creates a governance problem that most platforms haven't solved. How do you trace what an agent did, control what it's allowed to do, and prevent it from leaking sensitive data? The agent platform's answer starts with a feature called Agent Identity. Every agent gets a unique cryptographic ID, not shared with other workloads, not impersonable, so every action the agent takes maps back to a defined authorization policy. Agent Gateway acts as air traffic control for the entire fleet. It sits between all agent-to-agent and agent-to-tool connections, enforcing security policies in real time, including protection through model armor against prompt injection, where a bad actor tries to trick the agent to ignoring its instructions, and against sensitive data leakage. And the gateway isn't locked to Google's own security tools. It integrates with third-party agent security and identity governance providers, so enterprises can bring the tools they already use to manage their agent fleet. And Agent Registry maintains a central catalog of every approved agent, tool, and skill in the enterprise, so only governed, validated assets are available to users. Google's framing is zero-trust verification at every agent and every orchestration step. The gap between a demo and production is always infrastructure, and the platform closes that gap with 3 pieces. First, GKE Agent Sandbox provides a secure isolation layer for running untrusted agent code. Each sandbox uses kernel-level isolation to keep one agent's execution completely separated from everything else, and the system can spin up to 300 sandboxes per second per cluster. Second, long-running agents. Most agent frameworks assume the agent responds and stops. Here, agents can execute complex business processes for hours or even days in secure sandboxes, managed through a central inbox rather than requiring constant prompting. Third, persistent memory. Memory bank and memory profiles let agents carry context across sessions. They remember previous interactions instead of starting fresh every time. That's the difference between an agent that asks you the same questions every morning and one that builds understanding over time, like a team member who's been on the project for months. And before any of this goes live, agent simulation lets you stress test agents against thousands of synthetic scenarios, while agent observability provides full execution traces to catch reasoning drift before it reaches users. Everything built on the Agent platform, whether by developers using ADK or business users using Agent Studio, surfaces in one place, the Gemini Enterprise app. This is the single environment where employees across the organization discover, create, share, and run agents, with governance and security built in from the start. Agent Designer lets anyone build agents using natural language or a visual interface, no code required. You can inspect, test, and approve every step of a workflow before it ever runs in production. Inbox provides a central command center for managing long-running agents, while projects give teams shared workspaces where an agent's memory stays confined to the right files and conversations. And Agent Gallery brings validated partner agents from Salesforce, ServiceNow, Oracle, Adobe, and Workday directly into the app, pre-checked by Google for security and interoperability. That's the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, the layer that turns AI infrastructure into managed agents that enterprises can actually trust. Over 200 models to choose from, 6 trillion tokens processed monthly through ADK, and every agent gets a cryptographic identity that makes every action traceable and auditable. But agents are only as useful as the data they can access. Next time on Inside the Agentic Cloud, Episode 4 covers the Agentic Data Cloud, how agents find, understand, and reason over enterprise data at scale. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into AI infrastructure and technology explained.